right.
You guys go ahead there if you want. Thank you very much. I didn't know if we were doing it.
All right.
Twentieth floor. Going up.
These are the elevators at the Fairmont Pacific Rim in downtown Vancouver. Otis Series 4 Luxury Series 3 style buttons. Alright.
Going down.
Let's get a look out. This place is key carded, so it probably shouldn't be here, but I think these are Gen 2 or I think they're Elevonic 411 actually. Let's see. You can see they're playing music up here, so I have to talk over the music, but you can see there's your hallway. Okay, let's get an elevator. Alright. Here they are. I think they're Series 4 Luxury, but they look like Series 3. See, look. Alright. Let's get a cab view. Wow, very nice. P1, G. Wow, very nice buttons. Woohoo, these things make quite a fair amount of noise when they travel. There's me in the mirror. Hello. And there are your buttons. You can see they're concave. I think G.
Ground floor. Going up.
Oh, well, we can go up to 2. Maybe 6. Oh, 5 is the highest we can go.
Second floor. Going up.
And you have an 88 phone over there.
Fifth floor.
Here on 5.
Going down.
Okay. Here on 5. G. These are pretty nice, actually.
Ground
Here we're on ground. And we will get off here. Anyways, there they go. And that's gonna be it.